Good day everyone, my name is Manuela Villanueva from BSc 1E, and today I'm going to discuss our next topic, which is all about free falling bodies. In this topic, there's no other acceleration that exists except acceleration due to gravity. And para ma-solve and ma-analyze natin yung problems about free fall bodies topic, same equation lang din tayo ng gagamitin katulad sa equation of motion. Pero papalitan lang natin yung acceleration into acceleration due to gravity, which is equals to 9.81 meter per second squared nga. So let's move on for our first problem. So sabi dito sa first problem, a fruit drops from a tree and falls to the ground 3.15 meter below. So, may dalawang question, si letter A and si letter B. Sabi dito, kay letter A question, how much time does it take for the fruit to reach the ground? And yung letter B question naman, what is the fruit speed just before it hits the ground? So, para ma-explain ko na maayos, drawing ko lang yung given scenario. So, for example, kikita. Ito yung puno. And then, sabi dito, nahulog daw yung bunga mula sa puno papunta sa ground. So, kung nahulog siya, ayan. Kasi nahulog yung bunga ng puno papunta sa ground. So, since ang starting position ni fruit is ito, dito siya nagsimula mahulog. So, it only means na ito ngayon yung ating y sub 0, which is equals to 0. And siya yung naging y sub 0 natin kasi we're in vertical motion in free fall. We're in vertical motion na. And then, our direction for this given scenario goes downward kasi yung pagkakahulog ni fruits is pababa. So, it goes downward. Sa free fall kasi guys, kapag yung direction mo is na goes downward, it only means na positive direction tayo. And kapag naman yung direction mo goes upward, we're in negative direction naman. Then, since ang starting point nga natin is equals to y sub 0 is equals to 0, ang v sub 0 naman natin is equals to 0 din. Because, yung pagkakahulog ni lemon fruit ay at rest lang. So, our resistance can be ignored. So, our v sub 0 is equals to 0. We can barely ignore the resistance for this scenario na. And, however, yung 3.15 meter na tinutukoy naman dito, ito yung y natin. Kasi, ito yung height natin dito. Ganito kataas yung huhulugan ni lemon fruit. Sa taas na 3.15 meters. And, makikita natin sa given scenario na hindi na isinama si gravity kasi yung gravity natin sa free fall topic is acceleration due to gravity na nga, which is equals to 9.81 meter per second squared. Ayan, and since nakuha na natin lahat ng given na kailangan natin, ang formula gagamitin na natin for this or yung appropriate formula for this topic is y is equals to y sub 0 plus b sub 0 plus 1/2 times g times t squared. And since ang value nga ni y sub 0 and v sub 0 is 0, pwede na natin silang i-cancel. So, y now is equals to 1/2 times g times t squared. And since ang hinahanap pa rin dito is our time, kailangan natin i-derive to itong formula natin. So, magiging 2y is equals to g t squared. And para nga makuha natin si time na formula, kailangan natin lagyan ito or lagyan natin ng over na gravity para ma-cancel and matira si time. So, cancel. So, our formula now is t squared 2y over g is equals to t squared. So, rewrite lang natin kasi hindi nakasya. T squared is equals to 2y over g. So, hindi pa dito natatapos to guys kasi kailangan pa mawala yung square dito kay t. So, para mawala yon, lagyan lang natin both sides ng square root. Ayan. So, makakancel na ngayon si square. So, time now is equals to square root of 2y over g. So, pwede na natin ngayon i-substitute lahat ng given value for this. Kasi nakuha na natin yung appropriate formula. So, substitute lang natin yung value. T is equals to 2. Y natin kanina is 3.15 or yung height 3.15 meters. So, all over 9.81 meter per second squared na gravity. So, and na-substitute na natin T is equals to square root of 2 times 3.15 meter over 9.81 meter per second squared. So, time natin ngayon, pwede na natin i-cancel yung both m's. So, yung magiging time natin for this is 0.0801 seconds. So, ito yung oras na kailangan ni lemon fruit para malaglag siya sa ground. Which is, time is equals to 0.0801 seconds. So, for our letter B question naman, we can relate the velocity and time sa letter B question natin. So, pwedeng dalawang formula ang gamitin natin. Sa letter B question, which is ang hinahanap is speed. Sa letter B. Pwede na lang formula, pwede ito. Unang formula is V is equals to V sub 0 plus G times T. Ayan. Or, since dalawa nga, pwede din si B squared is equals to V sub 0 squared plus 2G delta Y. Unahin muna natin yung first formula. And tingnan natin kung same answer yung makukuha natin even magkaibang formula yung gagamitin natin. So, since nga yung value ni B sub 0 is 0, pwede na natin i-cancel to. And nakuha na natin si time kanina, which is question kanina sa letter A. So, substitute lang natin. So, value ni gravity is 9.81 meter per second squared, habang times time na 0.0801 seconds. So, our velocity now is equals to 7.86 meter per second. Pwede natin i-cancel yung both S. So, ayan, ang makukuha natin is velocity is equals to 7.86 meter per seconds. So, itry natin yung pangalawang equation. V squared is equals to V sub 0 squared plus 2G delta Y. Cancel na natin itong si V sub 0 since equals lang naman siya sa 0. And, since ang nahanap is speed, may squared pa to, kailangan nating tanggalin si square. So, para mawala yun, lagyan lang natin both side ng square root. V squared, square root of V squared is equals to 2G delta Y. So, makakancel na ngayon tong si squared. So, pwede na natin tong yan na lang, V is equals to 2G delta Y. Yan, lagyan natin square root to. Since nilagyan natin, kailangan both sides. Yan. So, pwede na natin ngayon kunin si speed. And, dito na lang natin isulat. V is equals to square root of 2G delta Y. Substitute natin yung value. V is equals to 2 square root of 2. Si G na 9.81 meter per second squared. And si Y na 3 times 3.15 meter. Di na pala kita. So, our V now is equals to 7.86 meter per second. So, same lang sila ng final answer. So, sa letter B question natin, ang speed na kailangan ni lemon fruit is 7.86 para mahulog siya sa ground. 7.86 meter per second para mahulog siya sa ground. So, makikita nyo guys na kahit na magkaiba yung formula ng ginamit natin, same answer pa rin ang nakuha natin.